Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm CryptoKip, and today we're going to be talking about Crypto.com, what kind of price action we might see here in the next year, in the next 3 years, leading into this crypto bull run that is coming, guys, eventually here. Been a tough week, been a tough time after the FTX collapse. Gonna update you on a couple more stories, some more FUD out in the market that I wanted to address. Also, some optimism that I wanted to share with you guys about everything crypto. Overall, we'll also take a peek at CRO Coin, of course. If you guys like this kind of content, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. We are doing 4 videos every single day for you, and when we hit 10,000 subscribers on the channel, we're giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin to one lucky subscriber, so you don't want to miss out on that, folks. Let's look at these charts. You got an $822 billion market cap, Bitcoin at $16,366, and Ethereum at $1,100 and change. CRO Coin still at number 29 rank. I'd like to see it get back up to that 25 rank spot. I've been talking about that a little bit, guys, but let's get into some of the stories for the day. Some more FUD for you. New York, not a very crypto-friendly city here in the U.S. A governor just signed its first of a kind law, cracking down on Bitcoin mining. Here's everything that's in it. Essentially, for the next 2 years, unless a proof of work mining company uses 100% renewable energy, it will not be allowed to expand or renew permits, and new entrants will not be allowed to come online. So they don't want miners there, which is honestly really silly because miners make a lot of money, and wouldn't you want taxpayers in your state? I think it's a dumb move. I don't understand the ban. It's more political because crypto-friendly, they're talking environmentally friendly. They're talking about crypto being bad for the environment. It's an old narrative. It's very old. It's just a very weird headline. I think it's a poor move from this governor, but New York's made a lot of bad decisions about crypto. And I think, they're going to regret that as Bitcoin and crypto adoption comes into the forefront. And meanwhile, these miners will go elsewhere to find cheaper electricity anyway. So, kind of a non-story, but something pretty interesting to share with you guys. This is a very big story that I want to share with you guys. Binance US steps into national politics with new campaign pack. In case you didn't know, FTX and Sam Bankman-Fried were the second largest campaign donator to the Biden administration in the previous presidential election here in the United States. And now that FTX and, their sway is over, that's done, now Binance is setting their sights on this, Binance US specifically. Interesting to see here, this story, guys. I mean, you see Binance and CZ trying to kind of pave the way and take leadership here in these times and shed doubt on other projects that, they're hearing bad stories about, which is kind of interesting to watch develop. But now they're trying to get a seat in U.S. politics through Binance.us, which is very interesting. So it's not technically CZ, but it is the CEO of Binance.us speaking. And, if you look at their track record and what they've done, they have contributed. The Binance pack arrives as the dust settles on this month's congressional elections, so it has a full 2 years to gear up for the next federal races, including for the White House. Its CEO, Brian Schroeder, has individually given relatively small donations to Democratic candidates in the past, including Senator Raphael Warnock, Democrat in Georgia, when he was running for the first time, and to the Lincoln Project formed by Republicans to oppose former President Donald Trump. So they're trying to get involved in the politics here, and it's going to be very interesting to see what kind of sway they want to have, in America, and which candidates they want to back, which direction they want to take it. And honestly, I don't know if this is going to be great for Binance because I think it's going to cause some polarization. Some people starting to think about, well, who are they supporting? Why are they supporting them? Do I agree with this? Do I disagree with this? And now they're getting into politics, which, politics and money, you don't want them to mix, but they do. And it's going to be interesting to watch the steps that they take as they step into national politics here in the U.S., which is, still a world leader as many problems as we might have with national debt, and that being said. So we're going to have to keep an eye on this, folks. But CZ is still trying to take a front seat here and a leadership position. He had a good tweet today. I got to call it out. Some, including me, say this will set the industry back a few years, referring to FTX. But thinking about it, this is natural. There will be failures with progress happen in regulated TradFi in 2008. After 70 plus years of development, the industry will recover quickly and become stronger. I do believe the industry will recover quickly, and I do believe it will become stronger. And he is doubling down and tripling down, guys. He is hiring more employees. He's getting involved in politics now. He's expanding because he wants to help drive adoption, which is good. I'm just curious, and let me know in the chats down below. Do you think he's too focused on Binance himself, or do you think he's focused on the expansion of crypto? We're going to have to see how that plays out. It's going to be very, very interesting to see. Sam Bankman-Fried, for example, came out and said that he loved crypto, but then it turned out that he was, the white knight, right? He wanted to squash DeFi with the crypto bill that he was proposing, which is why CZ called him out. But is CZ the new Sam Bankman-Fried? I certainly don't think so. I'm not trying to spread some FUD. But a lot of people are starting to keep an eye on CZ, and we're starting to ask questions. And it's important to ask questions and think about this as we kind of see what CZ continues to say, as he starts to get more involved in politics, as, this is a very, very interesting story right here. So we'll keep an eye on this, folks. I mean, I still think CZ is good for crypto, and I want to see exchanges get along. Also important to note, crypto.com has some good TVL. They make sure to flaunt that on their Twitter, which is great. Keep in mind, folks, we have the crypto.com FIFA World Cup going on, and I know the price isn't going up right now, but guys, they're doing a lot of great stuff with NFTs and good things happening. When you look at the TVL, how much do they have locked up? $452 million locked up in CRONOS. So that's really fantastic to see. And also, look at where we're at, guys. When you look at this chart, this is a weekly chart. Remember, we were all the way at 97 cents. So some quick math for you, and I'm going to pull out my calculator here. How many times does 6.5 cents go into 97? I'm going to take 97 and I'm going to divide it by, 6.5 cents. Folks, we're talking about a lot of gain potential here, folks. I mean, we're talking about a 20 plus X here, getting back up past $1. It's coming, folks. It's coming. It's inevitable. It'll be here. It's just not going to happen overnight. When you look at this chart, you see how far we've come down. This is all the fear. And that fear is coming to an end. When you look at the bottom over here, we are coming close to a bottom. Not just for CRO Coin, but for crypto overall. When you look at Bitcoin and you see where it's at, it is also getting close to a bottom. Of course, we could drop down to 8K, 10K, 12K, 14K. But we're getting close to the bottom, folks. It's just a matter of time. And if we dollar cost average through this, we will see some brighter days and we will see quite a bit of money. The folks that buy in the bear market make all the money in crypto. That, my friends, is a fact. This is not financial advice, but we're going to keep you up to date with all things crypto here at the Crypto Report. I'm CryptoKip. Don't forget to smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, guys, you got to remember to DCA, HODL, and we'll see you in the next one. I got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. Also, follow our Patreon down below. We're building a community for the Crow fam for Crypto.com, and we'll be talking about real estate investment strategy across the board, not just crypto. We like to invest. We like to make money. Let's try to do it together, folks. That's all I got. Have a great night, y'all. Peace.